Think of a bird so adept, it can transform itself into a tree stump. The peculiar Potoo is an exceptional master of camouflage, expertly blending into the wilderness. Its feathers imitate rough bark, misleading potential threats as it hides on tree branches. This bird is a quiet spectator in the forest, but as night falls, it becomes a nocturnal composer. Its eerie song vibrates through the quiet, reminding us of its hidden presence. The Potoo challenges our understanding of nature, pushing us to explore the animal kingdom. It's proof of the many marvels in nature, urging us to dive in and uncover their secrets. So let's plunge into and uncover the captivating world of nature.